Hello, I am James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Australian share market is likely to extend losses on Wednesday following a dismal overnight trade in the US. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is expected to open 60 points or 0.9% lower. On Tuesday, the benchmark index fell by 3.55% to 6,686 points. Global stocks and bonds traded on a choppy note after strong US inflation data released last Friday fueled bets that the US Federal Reserve must tighten monetary policy more aggressively to tame urging prices. Investors expect the Fed to announce a 75 basis point rate increase, the largest since November 1994, at the end of its two-day policy meeting on Wednesday. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell by 0.5% and the S&P 500 dipped by 0.4%, but the Nasdaq did inch higher by 0.2%. The S&P 500 recorded its fifth straight daily fall, marking its longest losing streak since early January. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell by 0.8%, London's FTSE dropped by 0.3%, the CAC dipped by 1.2%, and the German DAX ended 0.9% lower. MSCI's gauge of stocks around the world fell by 0.25% to levels last seen in November 2020. In Asia, markets were mixed. Japan's Nikkei was down by 1.32%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng ended flat, whilst China's Shanghai Composite rose by 1.02%. All right, time now for a very quick break here on the Morning Outlook before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, gold and the world of crypto.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Morning Outlook, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar has continued its decline, which began last week. On June 7, it was trading at more than 72 cents, but has since slipped to approximately 68 US cents per dollar. However, this is more a reflection of the performance of the US dollar as opposed to the Aussie dollar. Oil prices settled lower on Tuesday amidst fears the Fed will surprise markets with a higher than expected interest rate hike. Brent crude futures settled down by 0.9% to $121 US dollars and 17 cents a barrel, and WTI crude declined by 0.7% to settle at $118 US dollars and 93 cents a barrel. Gold also saw a decrease on Tuesday as the dollar resumed its climb and hit a 20-year high, eroding bullion's safe haven appeal. As a result, spot gold fell by 0.4% to trade at $1,811 US dollars and 80 cents per ounce by 12:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. US gold futures also fell by 1% to trade at $1,813.40. And lastly, the woes of the crypto market have continued, having plummeted by more than 14% across June 13 and 14. June 14 and 15 saw things deteriorate even further. In the past 24 hours, the market cap of the crypto space has dropped by another 2.9% to trade at approximately $968 billion US dollars. Flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin also experienced a further slide by 3% to sit just above 21,000 US dollars. Well, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.